Animated GIFs are popular on any social media platform. It is a special format for most other photo formats, enabling you to create animated content. Moreover, animated GIF plays automatically on social media sites, so they tend to catch more attention. We often use them to express feelings and emotions. They were the ones that showed reactions when we didn't feel like saying anything. However, sometimes we cannot find the right GIFs to convey our emotions at the moment, or when we find movie clips relatable to our emotions and want to turn them into GIFs. You might be looking for a great tool to learn how to make animated GIFs. Today we will share the best tool that will help you make amazing animated GIFs. Let me introduce to you the Aiseesoft Video Converter Ultimate. This is an outstanding all-in-one tool that has a GIF maker. You can adjust the playback speed and loop your GIF. Also, it allows you to adjust the filters, brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. You can add your watermarks or remove the original ones as you wish. Aside from that, even the beginner can easily generate GIFs with this tool without any hassle. To use this tool, visit www.aiseesoft.com/videoconverterultimate or simply click the link in the description. Download this tool, and we will show you how to make an animated GIF. First, open the tool you've downloaded. Select the Toolbox tab on the tool's main interface. You will see many different tools for video issues. Find and choose the GIF maker among the choices. Once you have selected it, click the plus sign icon to import the videos or photos you want. After that, you can enter the desired pixels from the output size option. You can also check the loop animation option. You can apply advanced features like rotate and crop, effects and filter, and add watermarks to enhance your GIF. You can also cut out all the X's or unnecessary scenes. Click the preview button to see the result of your animated GIF. Once satisfied, click the Generate GIF button and wait until the process is done. As easy as that, you can have your animated GIF. Animated GIFs are popular nowadays, so create one with Aiseesoft Video Converter Ultimate. You can easily make an amazing animated GIF as this tool can generate GIFs without hassle. Also, it has many editing features which will make your GIFs exceptional. So what are you waiting for? Get Aiseesoft Video Converter Ultimate now. We hope this video helps you. For more videos, visit our channel Aiseesoft. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.